I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my abundance. I am a money magnet, and wealth comes to me naturally. I attract prosperity by being grateful for what I already have. My wealth allows me to make a positive impact in the world. I am open to receiving infinite abundance. I attract wealth effortlessly by staying focused on my goals. I am worthy of all the riches the universe has to offer. Money is an abundant resource, and I attract it easily. I trust that the universe will always provide for me abundantly. I am surrounded by wealth and abundance in every aspect of my life. My bank account is overflowing with money, and I am grateful. I attract financial success like a magnet. Wealth flows to me from all directions. I am open and receptive to all the prosperity life offers me. I attract money with every action I take. My wealth allows me to live the life of my dreams. I deserve to be wealthy, and I am open to receiving abundance. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am a magnet for financial prosperity. I attract wealth and abundance effortlessly by being my authentic self. My wealth grows as I align with my true purpose. I am worthy of all the wealth and abundance the universe has to offer. I attract financial opportunities with ease and grace. I release all fear and doubt about money, and I embrace abundance. I am grateful for the unlimited abundance that flows into my life. I deserve to be wealthy, and I accept abundance into my life now. Money comes to me easily and frequently. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I attract money with every breath I take. Wealth constantly flows into my life in surprising and wonderful ways. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My mind is a powerful magnet for financial prosperity. I release all resistance to attracting wealth.